respected guardian, and my dear cadets, how are you? I hope all of you are very fine with your family. I am Joydev Mondol, lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Borishor Cadet College. First of all, I want to say you that you have to stay in home. This is first and foremost step for fighting against epidemic corona. For this epidemic corona, you are now at your home. You did not able to come to our college. For that, we have arranged online class. Before going to online class, I want to show you a picture. Boys, you see that here is a picture of root over -1. All of you know that there is no such number in real number. That is, the negative number under the square root is not considered as a real number. And when you read the real number, you know that it is undefined in real number. So what type of number it can be? Do you think it? Okay, boys, I am telling that this type of number is discussed in complex number. So today I will teach you complex number. Boys, you see here, this is a circle and is there are some I, and this I is very much important in complex number. When we will discuss, we see it. Boys, after completing my class, you will able to explain what is complex number, explain geometric representation of complex number, determine modulus and argument of the complex number, explain conjugate of complex number. First of all, we have to know what is the complex number in maths. Complex numbers are the numbers which are expressed in form of a plus ib, where I is an imaginary number has the value root over -1. So guys, I told you I is very much important in complex number. What is I? I is the imaginary number whose value is root over -1. For example, 2 plus 3i is a complex number where 2 is a real number and 3i is an imaginary number. Therefore, the combination of both the real number and the imaginary number is a complex number. So whatever we have learned, what is complex number? A complex number consists of real part and imaginary part. Real part and imaginary part. And it is in the form of a plus ib, where a is the real part, b is the imaginary part, and what is I? The value of I square equal to -1, that is I equal to root over -1. So at a glance, we can say that what is complex number? A complex number consists of real part and imaginary part. Real part is generally denoted by A and imaginary part IB, where B is the imaginary part and the value of I is root over -1. Now I will say you what is the use of complex number, because your common tendency is to ask, sir, why we will learn this? What is the use of this? Now I am telling you the main application of this number is to represent periodic motions such as order waves, alternative currents, light waves, etc. It relies on the sine and cosine waves, etc. There are certain formulas which are used to solve the problems based on the complex number. Boys, you know there are some formulas of real number. As same as we have also some formulas, some conditions in complex number also. Now we are going to discuss that. First of all, addition. What is addition? If a plus ib is a complex number, C plus ID is another complex number. Then if we add this, then add the real part plus real part and the imaginary part plus imaginary part. Similarly, if we subtract a complex number A plus IB and another complex number C plus ID, then we will subtract the real part and the imaginary part. Now multiplication. If A plus IB is a complex number and C plus ID is another complex number, then their multiplication will be AC minus BD plus I into AD plus BC. Now it is their turn to discuss about division. If a complex number A plus IB is divided by another complex number C plus ID, then this will be equal to AC plus BD divided by C square plus D square plus I into BC minus AD divided by C square plus D square. Now boys, we will learn what is the power of I. Depending upon the power of I, it can be take the following values. Boys, observe, if I equal to 4k plus 1, I equal to 4k plus 1, then the result will be I. If the power of I is 4k plus 2, at that time the result will be minus 1. If the power of I is 4k plus 3, at that time the result will be minus I. If the power of I is 4k, at that time the result will be 1. Now the question can arise, what is k? K can have integral value, whatever it may be positive, whatever it may be negative. Similarly, we can find for the negative power of I, which are as follows. If a to the power minus 1, sorry, if I to the power minus 1 equal to 1 by I. Multiplying and dividing the above term with I, we have I inverse, that is I to the power minus 1, this is equal to 1 divided by I. If we multiply this by I, then we get this on. Finally calculating, we get I divided by I square. You know the value of I square is minus 1. Putting that, we get the result I inverse equal to minus I. Now guys, this is very much important. We see that root over minus 1 into root over minus 1, this is equal to root over minus 1 into minus 1, that is root over 1, this is equal to 1, which contradicts to the fact that I square equal to minus 1. Therefore, for an imaginary number, a root a plus into root b, that is root a into root b, is not equal to root over ab. It is red marked. In general case, root 2 into root 3 equal to root 2 into 3, that is root 6. But in complex number, you never say that root over a complex number into root over another complex number equal to the root over the multiplication of that two complex number. It should not be. Now, cadets, we will discuss some identities in complex number. What are the identities? First of all, z1 plus z2 whole square, this equal to z1 square plus z2 square plus 2 z1 into z2. z1 minus z2 whole square. What are the z? Z are a complex number. This is an complex number, this is another complex number. So this will be z1 square plus z2 square minus 2 z1 into z2. Number 3, z1 whole square minus z2 square equal to z1 plus z2 into z1 minus z2. z1 plus z2 whole cube equal to z1 cube plus 3 z1 square into z2 plus 3 z2 square into z1 plus z2 cube. Number 5, z1 minus z2 whole cube equal to z1 cube minus 3 z1 square z2 plus 3 z2 square z1 minus z2 cube. Boys, we see that all the identities of real number are in the complex number as in same mode. There is no sense. So easily we can understand it. Now modulus. What is called the modulus of a complex number? Let z equal to a plus ib be a complex number. the modulus of z is represented by mod z. This is the sign of modulus sign. Mathematically, modulus of z equal to root over a square plus b square. Now we will solve a formula which is related to the finding the modulus of complex number. The problem is find the modulus of 3 plus 4i and another is 8 minus 5y. First of all, we will learn what is the modulus of 3 plus 4i. If we compare this 3 plus 4i with a plus ib, the value of a is 3 and the value of b is 4. So according to the formula, the modulus equal to root over a square plus b square, that is root over 3 square plus 4 square, this equal to root over 15, this equal to 5. Again, if we want to find the modulus of 8 minus 5i, in that case, the value of a is 8 and the value of b is minus 5. So the formula is root over 8 square plus minus 5 whole square, that is root over 89. Now conjugate number. What is called the conjugate number of a complex number z? If z is a complex number, then the conjugate of z is denoted by z bar. And mathematically, z bar equal to a minus ib. If z equal to a plus ib, then z bar equal to a minus ib. Now organ plane and organ polar representation. Similar to the xy plane, the organ or complex plane is a system of rectangular coordinates in which the complex number a plus ib is represented by the point whose coordinate are a plus a and b. So a complex number is represented by the points whose coordinates are a and b. Now we will learn first of all what is the organ plane. We all know that the pair of numbers xi can be represented on the xy plane, where x is called the abscissa and y is called the ordinate. Similarly, we can represent complex number also on a plane called organ plane or complex plane. Similarly to the x-axis and y-axis in two-dimensional geometry. There are two axes in organ plane. The axis which is horizontal is called real axis. The axis which is vertical is called imaginary axis. The complex number x plus iy, which corresponds to the ordered pair xy, is represented geometrically as the unique point xy in the plane in an xy plane. So, if x plus iy is a complex number, then their corresponding point is xy, and here this is the geometrical position of the complex number x plus iy. Now for problem for more clarification, the complex number 2 plus 3i corresponds to the ordered pair 2 3. Geometrically, I am repeating again, if 2 plus 3i corresponds to the ordered pair 2 3, that is if 2 plus 3i is a complex number, is corresponds to the ordered pair 2 3, and this is the geometrical representation of the complex number 2 plus 3i. Similarly, minus 3 plus 2i corresponds to the ordered pair minus 3 2. Now we see that complex number in the form of 0 plus ai, where a is a real number, will lie on the imaginary axis. Complex number in the form of a plus 0i, where a is any real number, will lie on the real axis. It is obvious that the modulus of the complex number x plus iy that is root over x square plus y square is the distance between the origin and the point xy. We see this is the direct distance of 0 0 and pxi, and this distance is root over x square plus y square. Distance between the origin 0 0 and the point xy. Now we will learn the conjugate of a complex number. The conjugate of z equal to x plus iy, and uh, the conjugate of the complex number z equal to x plus iy is z equal to x minus iy, which is represented as x comma minus y in the organ plane. Point x comma minus y is the mirror image of the point xy across the real axis in organ plane. Here this is the complex number x plus iy, and this is the conjugate of this complex number x minus iy, that is x minus uh, x comma minus y. This is the image point of xy. Now we will solve some problem. First of all, simplify 16i plus 10i into 3 minus I. So solution is 16i plus 10i into 3 minus I. Then normal calculation, we get 46i plus 10. Number B, multiplication of 7i into 5i, putting the value I into I, that is I square. The value of I square is minus 1, so the result is minus 35. 11i plus 13i minus 2i, that is 11 plus 13 minus 2, this equal to 22i. Very simple. Now another problem. Express 5 plus root 3i divided by 1 minus root 3i in the form of a plus ib. Also find the modulus and conjugate of this 5 plus root 3i divided by 1 minus root 3i. Now solution. First of all, we will express 5 plus root 3i divided by 1 minus root 3i in the form of a plus ib. So you see, given this, that is 5 plus root 3i divided by 1 minus root 3i. Let that one is z, that is 5 plus root 3 I root 3 divided by 1 minus I root 3. If we multiply the numerator and denominator by 1 plus I root 3, then we get this one. Then multiplying the numerator and multiplying the denominator, we get this portion, which we can write 1 by 2 plus root 3 divided by 2i. This is the form of a plus ib. Now the second portion, modulus. The modulus z equal to, we know that root over a square plus b square. Here the value of a is half and the value of b is 3 root 3 divided by 2, a square plus b square. Then calculating, we get the result root 7. Finally, we have to find the conjugate of z. What is z? This portion. Z is given. So conjugate of z, which is denoted by z bar, this equal to will be a minus ib. Here a plus ib, and this one is a minus ib. Boys, this all are of this day. I hope all of you will practice more and more. You will get sufficient preparation and practice the related topic of your textbook. This is the time of epidemic corona. You will never go outside the home. I will expect that everybody will stay in home in safe and sound. Finally, I want to say that stay home and stay safe. Thank you very much.